Those PJ Riders, they're mysterious.
Like this. What is it? What does it do?
We're trying to figure it out.
It has to do with ultimate speed. Catboy drives at amazing speed along the Zoomstania racetrack.
Come on, Connor. You can do it. All part of our training. I can't wait to get swooping. Now be ready with the Gecko-mobile water cannon. But for now, how about just, water? Rehydrate, team.
Catboy focuses all his senses on the racetrack, where we suddenly see Lionel?
Phew.
Sorry, Greg. He ran ahead.
Having fun hanging out with him?
Yeah, and Owlie and Cat too. If I study the little guys, maybe I could figure out the PJ Riders.
How come you're so into animals now? I thought intergalactic asteroids were more your thing.
A good scientist always looks for new fields of research. That means new things to study.
It's PJ Robot.
He's figured out the trajectory of the race. Let's get ready to zoom.
And get that crystal. PJ Masks, we're on our way. You okay, buddy? We'll talk about your animal studies later tonight.
It's nice to save the day.